crossing continents in minutes. But how is this giant born?
No humans, no errors, just pure, autonomous engineering perfection.
Welcome back to Future FactoryX. Let's build the sky's masterpiece.
Titanium graphene. Stronger than steel, lighter than air. The foundation of flight.
Molecular forging. We rearrange atoms to create an unbreakable frame. Growing the fuselage. A single-piece lattice structure with 0 weak points.
Cryogenic tempering, locking the structure for extreme high-altitude pressure.
Reinforcing the joints. Flexibility and strength in every single drop. The central spine, supporting the weight of 100 tons. Internal shielding, protecting the cabin from cosmic radiation at height.
Preparing the neural paths. Miles of fiber optics woven into metal.
Structural scan, perfect. The AI verifies every micron of the build. The signature of flight, built to outlast the clouds.
Pure environment. A single speck of dust can ruin aerodynamics.
Skeleton certified. Next, we give this giant its wings. The wings of the Skyliner. Designed for ultimate lift and speed. Active aero flaps, morphing shapes for perfect control in any storm.
Fuel tanks hidden inside. Maximizing space, balancing the giant's weight.
Neural wings. Every sensor communicates wind speed to the brain. The grand connection. Wings locked for a lifetime of flight. Stress test. These wings bend but never break. Engineering mastery. Zero gap technology. A seamless surface for zero air resistance.
Self-repairing skin. Scratches vanish in midair. Safety is eternal.
Heavy-duty landing gear. Absorbing the impact of a thunderous touchdown. Navigation lights active. A beacon of safety in the dark. Aerodynamic check. Slicing the air with total mathematical precision. Shedding the lightning. Protecting the jet from the sky's electricity.
Power sync complete. The wings are ready to lift.
Joints sealed. The exterior is taking its final form.
Wings confirmed. Now, we build the hearts of fire. The power plants. Twin engines capable of moving mountains of air. Carbon fiber fan blades. Lighter than metal, spinning at extreme speeds. Ceramic cores. Surviving heat that would melt any normal metal. Clean burn technology. High thrust, low emissions for a greener sky. Mounting the fire. Securely locked to the wings of progress. Silent bypass. Reducing noise for a whisper-quiet flight experience. Static ignition. Feel the roar of 1,000 horses.
Health monitoring. Every vibration is tracked by the AI brain.
thrust reversers, stopping the giant on the shortest runways,
Sealing the engine. Aerodynamic and protected from the elements. Thermal integrity, 100%. The fire stays where it belongs.
lubrication systems live, ensuring smooth operation for millions of miles.
Communication live. The pilot's thought is the engine's command.
Engines certificate. We have the power to fly.
Propulsion ready. Now, we give the giant its brain.
The neural core. Thinking faster than the speed of sound. Clearer than glass, stronger the steel. The pilot's portal.
Digital vision, mapping the path through clouds and darkness.
Fly-by-wire. Every touch is translated into digital perfection.
Total comfort for the long haul. Designed for the future.
Weather eye active. Seeing the storm before it even forms.
Uploading consciousness. The AI is learning to navigate the sky. Simulated success. 1,000 landings performed in a second.
Global connectivity. Never lost. Always connected to the network.
Perfect connections. Data flowing at the speed of light.
Neural check complete. Zero logic errors. Zero wiring faults.
Shielding the intelligence. Protected from EMP and heat.
Sync to sync. Successful. The Skyliner is now self-aware.
Umbilical disconnected. The brain is now internal and ready.
Intelligence active. Next, we build the luxury for the guests. Windows to the world. A panoramic view from 40,000 feet. Space for everyone. Built light, built strong, built to last. First-class luxury. Dreaming through the clouds in total comfort.
Mood lighting. Mimicking the sky to reduce jet lag.
The Sky Kitchen. Preparing gourmet meals at Mach 09. Efficiency in every row. Maximum comfort in every seat. Pure air. Cleaner than Earth's surface. Breathing made easy.
Silent cabin. The world outside vanishes. Only peace remains.
Safety first. Hidden away, but ready in a heartbeat.
Perfect seal. Holding the atmosphere against the thin void.
Connected entertainment. The world at your fingertips.
Interior check. 100%. Luxury and safety combined.
Atmosphere. Perfect. The guests will never want to leave.
Cabin sealed. The passenger experience is now complete.
Interior finished. Now.
We give the giant its colors. The blank canvas. Preparing the Skyliner for for its identity. Base coat, reflecting the sun, staying cool in the glare. The colors of speed, visualizing the air itself.
The mark of quality. Flying high on every continent.
Ceramic protection. Dirt, ice, and rain will never stick.
Simulating the storm. Surviving the turbulence of the future.
Lightning test. The energy flows around us, harmlessly.
Monsoon test. Not a single drop enters the cabin.
Full thrust test. Reaching for the limits of propulsion. Gear test. Safety systems, nominal. Ready for touchdown. Final scan. Aerodynamics, perfect. Structure, 100%. The plane is breathing. Future FactoryX Skyliner, fully born. The world is waiting. The sky is the only limit. Rolling out. The giant leaves its cradle for the clouds. Our pride. Our future. Our wings.
Final flight check. Destination, the world.
AI in control. Clearance received. Time to fly.
Ignition. Waking the power of 1,000 storms. The run for the sky. Speed, Mach 04. Climbing. Rotation. The cage of gravity is broken. Gear up. Aerodynamics, optimized. Heading for the stars. Above the storm. In the realm of eternal sunlight. Hypercruise. Efficiency and speed in perfect harmony.
Peace at 30,000 feet. This is travel redefined.
Crossing time zones. Connecting humanity, one flight at a time.
Future FactoryX, the mark of the sky.
The return journey. Precision in every movement.
Touchdown. A flawless mission. A flawless build.
Future FactoryX. Power, precision, perfection, human error eliminated. The journey continues. Subscribe to build the next evolution.